guys, it's your girl Lala. For those who are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that post notification bell so you are notified every time that I post. If you're an old subby, welcome back. So today is kicking off the first day of Vlogmas. This is my first time ever doing this. I'm extremely excited. So I wanted to do my first video doing a Christmas look, and this is what I have going here. If you're interested in this video, keep watching. So lately I have been prepping my face a little bit differently, so I'm gonna give y'all the tea. I've been using ColourPop's Pretty Fresh primer, and I really like this primer just because it's very moisturizing. And even though I have oily skin, my skin doesn't get as oily as it used to. But then again, guys, I do use this primer, and then I also use another primer as well. And I also have been using this FX gripping primer, which I love as well. It works really good with the ColourPop primer. So when I put these two on my face, like, my makeup literally lasts all day. Like, I mean, I may have to do a touch up here and there, but literally not too much. Not too much touch ups. Primer just like literally grips the foundation. So let's get into the look. So today I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place foundation. I really like this foundation because it's like full coverage and it's like perfect to my skin tone, like literally. I really like this foundation, honestly. When I first used it, I didn't really like it. But then I realized I didn't really like it because all of my other foundations were too light. And I found that also my other foundations, they really don't provide the full coverage that I like. And with my other foundations, I was just wearing too much makeup and didn't realize it. Well, I don't want to say I didn't realize it. Maybe I was just in denial that I was wearing too much makeup. And I also been doing my eyebrows with the P. Louise. And I really like the formula. I really love that company. It's a fave now. So today is the first day of Vlogmas. This is my first time doing Vlogmas, so guys, be patient with me. I'm a small YouTuber and I'm still learning how everything goes, so be patient with me. Don't be so judgmental if you see I'm doing something wrong. Yeah, this is my first time doing Vlogmas and I'm really excited about it, honestly. This is the P. Louise base in the color Rumor 5. So I'm basically messing with this red because this is the color that I'm wanting to do. I think the look that I'm going for is like a red smoky eye. I don't know exactly what it's called, but you guys will see with the finished look. Now I'm gonna go in with my glitter glue and start the process of putting that glitter on. And I am using this red glitter that I got from Amazon. I eyeshadow does look pink on camera, but I can reassure you that it is not pink. It's red. I'm gonna go in with my black liner first, and then I'm gonna do the white. So now I kind of want to go in with the black and do like candy cane stripes on the white liner. Now I'm gonna go into my lashes. Guys, I do sell lashes. If you're interested in buying some lashes from me, hit me up, hit me up. These are my lashes in the style Wild Girl. So these are the ones that I will be using today. Blending in my concealer, like I legitimately don't have no patience for it, because I'm just like, fuck, like I'm already done with the fun part. I really don't want to do this part. Like the fun part is really just doing your eyeshadow and just being very creative with it. That's like literally my favorite part of doing my makeup. So it's just like, once that part is over, I really don't have no patience for the rest of my face. Except my nose, cause y'all, I got the most flattest nose ever. Like, it's crazy. I don't know. It takes a lot to just really contour my nose. Like literally, no joke. Now I'm just like contouring my nose with my Morphe palette, the highlight contour palette. Yeah. So I'm just contouring my nose. I don't too much use the highlighter in here because like I really don't like it. So I don't even bother with the highlighter. I just stick to my Juvia's Place when it comes to highlighting my face. See that bald spot? Like, oh my gosh. We're not even gonna talk about it. Every time I see it, I just get so upset. Cause I'm just like, what will possess me? Like, and y'all, when this lady got done braiding my hair, like when I tell y'all my shit was throbbing, it was throbbing. So I'm like, what would let me just continue to let this girl braid my hair after my hair was throbbing? I just really wanted my hair done. So this is the cost that this is the cost for that. My edge is being gone. Conceal with the color Fawn, but after I finish doing that, I kind of go in with the lighter color just to really brighten my eyes up under there, because like I really don't want to look tired, and that's exactly what I be giving, tired. I'm about to bake to the gods. And this is like the same baking powder that I always use, the Morphe No Flashback one. So y'all, and this really does not have flashback, like no cap, no lie. And I really love this about this baking powder. Okay, so while I'm letting that bake, I'm about to show y'all a new product that I have started using. So if any of y'all are fans of Beat by Deb, I finally realized how to do that sparkly glow all over your face. So I started using the LA Girl Pro shimmer spray along with my Amazon glitter. So I mixed it in here. And so when I spray this over my face and I go into the sun, y'all, I be glowing. When I tell you glowing, like shimmer everywhere. So I figured out that trick. It's probably not the exact trick that she uses, but I figured out a trick that I could use. So I'm pretty hyped about that. Cause like I always like look at her Instagram and I'm just like, damn, like how does she do that? So I figured out how to do my little version of it. Oh no, I can't forget about the bottom lashes. I wish y'all could see my reindeer ears. Look, they're cute, right? So now I'm just gonna spray my face. And I do like to spray my face before I put my highlighter on, just so the hell can be like really grip to my face. Y'all already know the highlighter that I'm using is from Juvia's Place. I use no other highlighter. Ever since I discovered this highlighter, like, I'm like literally addicted to it, and I literally go overboard with it every time. So I literally have to get this brush right here. This brush is the contour brush from Real Techniques to really just blend it in, because y'all, I be going hella crazy with this highlighter. Just because I really love it so much, I'm just like, damn, like when I go into the sun, like I want to look like Jesus himself kissed me. Okay, he came down to earth and kissed me. okay? I'm the golden child, period. So now we're gonna get that nose, contour that nose. And this is also my favorite part because y'all know I ain't got no nose contour at all. So when I be contouring my nose, like I be feeling like honey. I be feeling like my nose is how it looks. Contour to the boards. Period. Okay, my nose a little off because I kind of went overboard. Y'all, this is what I'm talking about. I be going overboard with this highlighter. Like, I absolutely love this highlighter. Now it's my favorite part, the whole shimmer. Y'all, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to tell on camera, but like, the shimmer that this stuff really gives. And I do be going overboard with this, and so what? Okay, so this lip gloss that I have right now, I'm opening it up. My Girl Gloss with vitamin E oil. I did just get this, and I'm gonna put it on a lip gloss applicator because I did buy this for my clients. That concludes my makeup look today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.